Hi! Welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we are going to show you how to play the song Deep and Wide. Before we begin to play, we would like to sing the song first so that we can teach you how to sing the song, because if you learn to sing the song, it will be easier for you to learn to play it. Alright? Okay. Are you ready to sing? You can sing along with us too. You just have to look at your book. 1, 2, 3, go. Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. For you, for me, for all of us, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. For you, for me, for all of us, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Awesome. Okay. Alright, now that we have finished singing the song, we are going to sing the notes. You can join us and sing the notes as well. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, go. G, E, G, C, A, C, B, A, G, G, A, G, F, E, D. G, E, G, C, A, C, B, A, G, C, C, B, A, B, C. G, G, E, G, C, C, A, C, B, A, G, G, A, G, F, E, D. G, G, E, G, C, C, A, C, B, A, G, C, C, B, A, B, C. Yay! Woo, we did it! Okay, now the moment that we've all been waiting for. Amarachiko is going to play the entire song. Alright, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Wait, go at your own pace. Go!
1, 2, 3.
Great job. So Amarachiko is gonna do the first deep and wide, okay? Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing with deep and wide, and then deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Beautiful. So she's going to play it one more time. Go ahead. Slowly. Now we want you to play it exactly as she did. Go ahead. We're going to be listening. 1, 2, 3, play.
shirt pattern looks like a coach's shirt.
A coach. Oh, okay. My shirt pattern looks like a coach's shirt. Thank you. Okay, we want you to play it one more time. Go ahead. That was beautiful. Continue to practice and practice and you'll be perfect. Okay. Now, can you play together? Deep and wide and stop at there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Okay, signal. Give them a signal to begin.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, now we're going to move right on to the other half of the song. For you, for me, for all of us, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. For you, for me, for all of us, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Alright, go ahead and play it. You're gonna do it twice, but slowly. Wait. 1, 2, 3, play. Great job. Now do it one more time so that they will get it, okay? How to play. Go ahead. Give me 5. Yes. So now you have seen how she played it. Now we want you to play as well. Go ahead and try it on your own. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job! You did it! Woo! Alright, we're gonna give you another chance to play this song again. Go ahead. The second half. One more time. Proud of you, right?
Yeah.
You did really, really well. Continue to practice. Even if you missed the notes, don't give up. Continue, continue, continue. Great job. All right. We want you to play along with Amarachukwu as she plays from the beginning all the way to the end. Okay? What do you think? Okay. Give them a signal loudly.
1, 2, 3, go.
How did you do? We know you did great, okay? Give yourself a pat on the back. We're going to stop here today. We want you to continue to practice and practice this song until you get better and better at it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting us. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.